Alright, we had a little extra time on our hands, a little extra green material and some foam and some plywood. So we made a little pad removable that lays in there on top of that plywood floor just to clean things up a little bit, make it a little neater. I'm sure when the sun gets done shining on that material, it'll take those wrinkles right out. And we got some bumpers with this project that we didn't put on. Couple of reasons, really. These are the brackets for the front bumpers, and I believe that they bolt between the shock absorbers and the frame, and I did not like what that did to the shock absorbers. It moves them away from the link where the arm goes, and I didn't like the look of the front bumper anyway. And the rear bumper I was going to put on, but it just looks like one of those things that you're going to whack your ankle on every time you walk around the car. So we have them. Someday they might go on the car, maybe not, but for right now they were an accessory item added later on, and we did not put them on. First trip outside in 40 years. Off he goes. We found ourselves a speed anchor. Drive the thing. Yeah, we'll cruise around the estate here a little bit, see how it works. We got cars everywhere. We got tight spaces here. Got the bonnet off because you never know. We want to make sure we got access in case something happens. He's out there somewhere. Oh, he's out in the weeds. Driving in the tall grass. Running like a sewing machine.